Okay, ways of moving loading. Our last one, chatting to osteopath Josh Lamaro this morning, who comes to the Bendigo Barefoot session. And Josh is from an ice skating background, so he talks about being unbelievably strong and stable here with that hip abduction motion, so he feels really strong. Now when I introduced this next movement to him, which is continuous jumps, he talked about the release that came from just like travelling through the air and then landing again, and he said his nervous system was like a series of rainbows. You know, it was like a peak experience. And so I think that's possible with this stuff. We're basically using our full potential, and then so we get good at it or whatever, we're coming back and we're playing with it again. And so good to use a bit of a slope because it absorbs your uphill landings. I'm just going to do 10 for you, and again you'll get the idea of amplitude, range of motion, coordination and so forth. So we breathe in, arms up, breathe out, down, and then it's just a matter of working like a giant spring. Once again, the importance of the spine in the movement. So when you're coaching it, just acknowledging where the bottom of the movement is for the next drive. The actual play of the arms with the legs, so a little bit like lunge and scoop into that full release. Enjoying the hang time. And then the landing. And so I've spoken a fair bit about travelling as sophistication. So you've got a takeoff, you've got a hang time, you've got a landing, you've got shock absorbing, and then you're coupling that. And so in 10 jumps, few things. Find the still point. So where does the down stop? Next up start. And then which of your 10 jumps was your best and why? So these are the games I like to play with my movement. When I walk back to do my next one, I've got some really interesting living information to work with. 5 sets of 10. Wonderful workpiece, freedom. You know, and you're getting this in once or twice a week. It doesn't get much better. Cheers.